Hi, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So in one of the recent videos I posted, I said I'm going to be doing some future videos on some of our used trucks that we have here. So what I want to do today is show you a double feature. There's two twin trucks that I have here. Let's go check them out. All right, so here we have two 2012 Kenworth T680s. These trucks, we have them set up with a PACCAR engine. They are the 455 horsepower rating. One of the trucks has 1,046,000 kilometers. The other one has 1,152,000 kilometers. These trucks are set up with the Ultra Shift 13-speed automatic transmission. So it's a good highway spec, kind of a fleet spec highway tractor here. Set up with a 12,000 pound front, 40,000 pound rear axle with 355 gear ratios on, or gear ratio on the truck here. Three-way locking differential. Let's take a look at the back end here. It's got the Kenworth 4-bag suspension, the AG380. Has very good rubber on it. These are recapped rubber. That's I would say probably 70-80% tread depth on there. So very good. 22.5 rubber, aluminum rims all the way around. We've gone through the truck and we do a power polish. Our friends over at J&F Detail, he's on Instagram as Big Truck Detail. You can check him out there. They do a great job of reconditioning our trucks. This truck's got a little bit of dust just from sitting in the lot here, but we want to move these trucks. They're 224-inch wheelbase. All right, so we just fired it up here. Let you have a listen to the engine. So it's always fun showing new trucks, but it's good to see some of the quality trade-ins that we get. Got a nice little metal flake paint in this here. It's got blue, red, and kind of a green color to it. The sun decided to show up here today. Beautiful day in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. So like I said, it's got the 455 horsepower PACCAR engine. Here's the tread on the front. You got a good size tread depth on the front here. The truck is ready to go. Let's check out the other side. No leaks or anything on the front here. It looks really good and clean. Tread depth on this side is really good too. Let's close up the hood. So when we walk into the truck here, here's the seats, in good condition, no cigarette burns or anything like that. This truck doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. It's in very good condition. Carpet floor in the bunk, rubber floor in the cab, and these are single bed configuration with the open drawers or open shelves. You have an open storage shelf right here. Nice long closet. So we've gone through this truck, done a full safety inspection. Everything's 100% on the truck, so you'd be ready to go to work. All right, so thanks for coming by the channel today, taking a look at these trucks. I got two of them available. Again, they're 2012 T660 Kenworths with a fresh safety. We're selling them for $42,000 Canadian or $33,000 American dollars. So if you're interested, give me a call. You can text me 204-293-9180 anytime. Thanks a lot. Have the world's best day.